We're in just a little, I guess you'd call it a community, not too far from Knoxville, Tennessee, called Ozone. There's a really big waterfall down here. It's pretty awesome. Ozone Falls. Disney was here in the 90s. It's not much of a hike right here so much as just climbing down these big rocks. But at some point in the 90s, I think that I've never seen it, the Jungle Book movie that came out in maybe 1994, something like that. It was filmed here, or at least part of it was anyway. I think they call that up there the Smuggler's Den, maybe that's what that's called. I don't know if it actually ever was used for anything. I don't think it's a major cave or anything either, just a little hole. A bunch of little holes in the rocks. Or maybe this is the one they call Smuggler's Den, I don't know. Waterfalls flowing really good today. Yeah, that wouldn't be any fun though. It's flowing big time. I don't think it was flowing quite that well last time we were here. Be careful in the mud. I'm not sure what the height is on that one. It was not flowing that heavy when we were here before.
It might have been flowing less than half of that.
Let's get on down here a little bit.
It wasn't shooting out either. First time it comes out, last time it was wrong.
There are a bunch of cars up at the top. I don't see anybody down here. Last time we were here, you could kind of get up behind it. I don't think we're going to be able to today. They named all this Ozone Falls because the air quality here was supposed to be real good. That was back in the 1800s. Somewhere around here, somebody had a mill around the waterfall, I think back in the 1800s too. None of that's still here though. A little better. Not quite as much mist right here. kind of down here in this little hole. I guess most people just go to the, it's just a short little path from where you can park to the top. I think maybe somebody, probably more than one person, but has gone over in a canoe over that fall. I wouldn't do it. I think we might be able to get down there and go behind it. I'm not going to. I think we can make it over here. I wasn't sure that we would. Getting back up might not be super easy. Try and get back up out of here without falling. Are you ready? Let's climb back up out of here.